Bullish IOTEX cost expectations range somewhere in the range of 12 cents and 24 cents by 2030. Market investigators accept IOTX could reach 10 cents by 2025. Bearish IOTEX market cost expectation for 2023 is 2 cents. IOTEX presentation. IOTEX, in the same way as other crypto projects that held such a lot of commitment in the past, encountered a downtrend in June 2022. As innovation develops as of late, the need to make a convergence between the advanced world and the actual world increments. Be that as it may, because of the exceptionally adaptable nature of innovation in the web, rivalry in this specific area increments. The fight becomes who can present and market preferable much of the time over which task can be more proficient. That is the reason many accept that IOTX's victories are simply publicity, and that their utilization case isn't as flexible and all-around coordinated into the world they're attempting to address. We have gone through every one of the signs that could validate these affirmations or misleading. Is IOTX as cutting edge as they present to us, or is it won't get by over the long haul? Is it a wise venture as long as possible? How unmistakable is their future guide, and what are the cost estimates for the token? Iotex instrument of activity. To comprehend the capability of IOTX, one needs to know its method of activity and model construction. Notwithstanding, from most signs, IOTX has all the earmarks of being a symbolic that is vigorously impacted generally because of the relative multitude of exercises played by its driving group to keep up the force in the undertaking. The IOTX token is based on a deflationary model, which implies that the stockpile of IOTX will diminish over the long haul as additional gadgets and more gadgets enter the organization. This implies the worth of IOTX persistently increments as long as the interest for it stays reliable. 2 consume drops are shipped off IOTX stakes as additional members join the biological system. The primary consume drop was on the 3rd of November 2021. This action prompted an immense siphon in the value level of IOTX, which spiked over 100% in a day. The worth of the coin rose from 7 cents to about 16 cents that very day. This was the biggest siphon in the environment since its commencement in 2018. Nonetheless, after the cost top at that level, the cost spiraled downwards, losing around half before very long, and by February 2022, IOTX was beneath its underlying cost level before the spike. This is to demonstrate that the elements of IOTX capability over the long run are profoundly reliant upon on-chain exercises and occasions, and further shows that IOTX may be an intensely controlled token. Yet, specialized examination is as yet thought to be in the IOTX coin expectation to assist with placing you in a drawn-out viewpoint. IOTEX current cost. IOTEX is at present worth 2 cents USD. IOTX has moved 10.54% as of now, with an exchanging volume of $27,112,438. IOTEX is right now positioned 109 among all digital forms of money, with a market capitalization of $276,433,115 USD. Using the general strength record, moving weighted normal, Williams fractal, and moving normal combination dissimilarity from the graph above, we can decide cost designs for IOTEX to conclude whether having a bullish or negative year is going. IOTEX value forecast 2023. IOTEX, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The IOTX cost conjecture for 2023 expects a critical expansion in the year's final part, perhaps coming to 4 cents. Similarly, as with other digital currencies, the ascent will be slow, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 4 cents in cost is very aggressive. However, it is possible soon given expected joint efforts and progressions. IOTX is supposed to have a base worth of 3 cents. IOTEX value expectation 2024. In 2024, IOTX cost expectation has a lot of space for extension. Because of the possible declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of IOTX will before long outperform 7 cents. In any case, we ought to stand by to check whether the IOTX's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market instability, IOTX will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 5 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 6 cents. IOTX value expectation 2025. Assuming the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 10 cents and IOTX might benefit. On the off chance that the market encounters a downfall, the objective may not be met. IOTX is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 9 cents and a low of 8 cents in 2025. IOTEX value expectation 2026. Assuming IOTEX effectively supports market opinion among digital currency fans, the IOTX coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, IOTX will be green in 2026. The IOTX is supposed to reach and outperform its untouched high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual cash will be valued at 12 cents, with a base cost of 11 cents and a typical cost of 12 cents. IOTX value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the IOTX cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 14 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 14 cents anticipated before the year's end. Besides, IOTX has a most extreme value worth of 15 cents. IOTX value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 17 cents. On the off chance that IOTX figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 18 cents. Neglecting to assemble the help IOTX needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 17 cents. IOTX value forecast 2029. While IOTX is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to hurry cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been set at 20 cents and a yearly cost close above 21 cents in 2029. IOTX value forecast 2030. By 2030, IOTX will at long last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost level. The base cost could be 22 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 24 cents. Averaging out at 23 cents. IOTX value expectation 2031. The digital money market is known to be exceptionally unstable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future price tags with accuracy. But all expectations ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that digital money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. Thusly, the most extreme IOTX cost in 2031 is projected to be 28 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 27 cents. What is the IOTX cost today? Today, IOTX is exchanging at 2 cents with a complete market capitalization of $276,433,115. Is IOTX a wise speculation? IOTX ended up being one of the most discussed coins in the crypto space this previous year. Considering this, it is insightful to say that IOTX is a decent decision of venture. How high might IOTX at any point go? The typical cost of IOTX might conceivably reach 4 cents this year. Throughout the following 5 years, it is projected that IOTX might outperform 18 cents. What amount will IOTX be worth in 5 years? In light of the rising prevalence of digital money and IOTX, a drawn-out interest in IOTX could see the value ascend to 18 cents inside the following 5 years. What amount will IOTX be worth in 10 years? In the event that you put resources into IOTX today, likewise with any venture, a drawn-out increment is normal. The cost of IOTX might actually ascend